Welcome to MBS Daylight for SketchUp tutorial for amenity analysis. Let's begin this tutorial by registering the amenity. Next, we are going to convert the model. Open the Convert dialog, then click the Convert button. Here, I am going to convert the model into GPU format. Make sure your system has a compatible graphics card installed to run calculations on the GPU. Our model has been successfully converted. Now, let's run the amenity calculation. To do this, open the Run dialog. Make sure you are in the BRE Regulations. Select the amenity calculation and click Add to List. Adjust the rendering method according to your needs, then click the Run button. Bear in mind that you need the correct graphics card configuration to run the calculation on the GPU. After the completion of the calculation, the results are plotted in the model. Make sure the amenity results tags are visible. At the same time, software produce tabular result in CSV or Excel format. You can set the output type using the Report Settings option.